Funny enough, I did see myself in construction when I was younger. I kind of wanted to be an architect, probably because I didn't really know in depth what construction or architecture was really about. So as I was picking my UCAS applications, when I was looking at architecture courses, alongside it was also the project management for construction course. So I thought, I don't know, something kind of clicked when I read the syllabus that maybe I'm not really into designing buildings, but more the logic of putting them together, and that was kind of more for me. So I kind of picked on this very moment that I was going to study project management for construction. From there, I've kind of just fell into what I'm doing now, which is site management. So I did like a placement with the company I used to work for, Brown Construction. So I did a year with them. And I really like site management. I'll be on site all day looking after contractors. And I thought that was really what I wanted to do.
Paige, what inspired you to choose a career in engineering?
Basically, when I was at school, I did work experience for 2 weeks. And I was tied between hairdressing and engineering. So I was lucky enough to go into engineering called Smiths, which make aeroplane parts. So I went there for 2 weeks, enjoyed it. I loved seeing how the wing spans were made. It was fantastic. I thought, yes, that's what I want to go into. So I think, yeah, that's how I chose mine, really.
Yeah, so my story is a bit different. I'm from Italy originally, so I'm from Venice. So I was surrounded by ancient buildings all my childhood and my teenager years. So I always loved architecture. But what I missed really was the fact that I also love maths. I love analysis and mathematics. I was always told by the fact that I wanted to choose a profession next to the math people. And at the end, the click happened when I went to Paris and I was visiting Notre Dame, the big cathedral. And I could see that with Gothic cathedral, we have this real mixture of architecture that shows the engineering forces with all these pillars, with walls. I was really inspired by it, and so that's how my own career started to pan out. I went first to study architecture because I wanted to become creative first, but then my real goal was to become a structural engineer. So I chose for the first foundation degree in architecture, and then I went to the US to study engineering at NWED. And that's how it started, really. So my career has been so far a mixture of creativity and analysis. I'm now working in Ecom as an engineer for stadiums. So I worked on the Olympic stadiums. I worked on the new Qatar football stadium in the Middle East. So really, it's the type of structure where you can be both an architect and an engineer, but most of all an engineer. So you have to control a lot of the shape, but you can